All right, here we go. Good luck, fellas. Gonna roll the dice here as we hit the randomizer for random divisions. Hard 9. Hard 9 on the randomizer. It is. Get it. Get it, Ken. Get as much as you can. All right. So let's go divisions first. Oh, no. Let's go names first. We got Athletic, Rammer Jammer, Tiger. Rammer Jammer, Lombardi 25, and Tiger. 9 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Athletic on the top, Lombardi at the bottom. Then divisions: NL West, NL East, NL Central, AL West, AL East, AL Central. 9 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. NL Central on the top, NL East at the bottom. Out alphabetically. It's a little bigger so you guys can see it. Alright, Tiger, AL Central, Rammer Jammer, AL East and AL West. Athletic, NL Central, Lombardi, NL East, and Tiger, NL West. Alright. Let's see what we can pull out of these boxes. Oops. It's hard to get everybody to sign, that's why. ¡Ay, cabrón, hijo de tu perra puta madre! Imagine trying to get all the Marvel characters to sign. What's over here? Oh, these are the cards that are not going to make it. Bucket. Yeah, go for it, man. You already talked to him? The only thing that doesn't ship is vet base. You'll get everything else. Boom, Alec Bomb. NL Central? Watch ya. We'll make some miracles happen right now. Okay, cool. You got Kirilloff in your division. Jeez. We got Jordan Blazevich for the Twins. Wait, Twins is that's NL Central, right? Oh no, that's that AL Central. Look at that. Joe Adell. Hold on, because this is going to fall over. Sorry, guys. I thought about this earlier. I started. AL East is the division I have, huh? Yeah, just ship them to me, and I'll go. Ooh, orange paper. It is Austin Meadows for the AL East, 9/25. And we got a purple Bryce Turang, 136/199 for the NL Central. Ed Howard is impossible to pull, and he doesn't go for much in this. What the deuce? Joe Adele. Oh, what did I do there? Jason Dominguez. Sixto Sanchez. Marco Luciano. Reed Detmers. Come on, patch autograph. Boom, Trout. Nate Pearson. Oh, that was going to be the autograph. Yankees. Miguel Amaya for the Cubs. 87/250. Man. NL Central. Being the worst division's got so many cards already. Oh, we got shorted a Chrome card. Boo. Brady Singer. Oh, yeah, showed another Chrome card. 36/50. O'Neal Cruz. It's NL Central too, right? Oh no. Yeah, that's NL Central, right? Mac Wainwright for the NL Central. Austin Martin. Chrome. Oh man. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! 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 Oh man! lot of color in that hobby box, though. Is the Alcantara base? It wasn't the Austin Martin base? Alright, here we go. Goose luck. We got Casey Mize, not numbered. There's a Austin Martin base. Make sure I don't skip any over right now. Wait, aren't I supposed to read every card of every player? Just kidding, just kidding. Luciano Torkelson, puck. Corbin Carroll, Tatis Jr., Garrett Crotchet. Martin. Brian Hayes and man, we got a, is that a red or a pink? I think that's pink back there. Tyler Callahan for the Cincinnati Reds. 43 of 299, pink. Ay, Dios mío. Jesucristo. Christian Javier and the guy that freaking complains, Fuchsia, about having the worst division. Max Mayer and Drew Romo for the NL West, 198 of 250. It's Mickey. Don't get the worst division. CJ Abrams, Bobby Witt, Jordan Groshans, Michael Toglia for the NL West. I went to do a UPS drop off. Gold. Is it autographed? It is. Austin Cox. The AL Central. 45 of 50. That is Mickey. Joe Adele. Went to go do a UPS run today. Sending the boxes over to the grocer's like, oh, too heavy. It's like, sorry. Should have asked for help. By the time I got out of there, I'm like, Hassan, Mackenzie Gore, Emerson Hancock, 19 left. One box of Prism Basketball Random Teams. No, Walter's waiting for whatchamacallit, Score Football tomorrow. That's why he didn't want to join. He's already been asking me when I'm gonna put it and all that wonderful stuff. There's another Martin. Ooh, Kellenick. Score of the football. And Nicolas, you still need paper base and all that wonderful stuff? Clark Schmidt, AL East, 79 of 499. Baby blue. Sky blue. Gabriel Arias for the AL Central, 250 of 499. Always. Alright, let's get together, see what we can do here. Got so much. Logan Gilbert for the AL West. There's so much I need to get rid of. Last box. Good luck. Blue paper. Christian Javier. Edward Cabrera. Blue paper is Marco Luciano for the NL West. 135 of 150. Pick your team. More than likely, pick your team. I gotta price it out tomorrow. I'll give you guys a heads up of what time it goes up. Riley Green, Joey Bart, Taylor Trammell. Damn, that's a name I haven't heard in a minute. Taylor Trammell. Former Cincinnati Red, Taylor Trammell. Oh. Cole Franklin, White Sparkle, 201 of 299. Hey, what happened to my White Sparkles? Oh, there they are. Yes, they are. Wander Franco. The Jaguars are gonna be like $1,200 from what I hear. Right off the bat, $1,200. Jared Kelly. This guy again. New PC for Mickey. Jared Kelly. We got a blue. Ooh, nice Blaze Jordan there. Jordan Adams, 57 of 150 for the AL West. Worst division to have, according to here. 5 of his autographs. Oh man, Hassan, Jared Kelenic, Brennan Davis. Our atomic is Jeremy Pena for the AL West. Oh yeah? Nah, I don't want to do that. I hope when he comes up, comes like a damn complete game shutout, no hitter, perfect game, and just his shit just shoots up the roof. Alright, this is our final autograph here. Alright, good luck. Here we go. It's gonna go to Junior Severino, 65 of 499 for the AL Central. Damn, sorry, Craig. Something here. He was gonna make Lawrence an MVP. He's got a lot of weapons right now, right? Going into Jaguars. Hunter Bishop, NL West. Alright, come on. Last pack Superfractor for somebody. Oh, we got the baby blue paper. It is Mike Clevenger, 7 of 499. For the Padres, NL West. Julio Rodriguez. We got a fuchsia shimmer. Carson Tucker for the AL Central, 172 of 199. Fuchsia shimmer. And that was a break. Carson Tucker, Clevenger, Bishop, Severino, Pena, Adams, Kelly, Franklin, Luciano, Martin, Gilbert, Arias, Schmidt, Cox, Toglia, Romo, Howard, Callahan, Wainwright, Martin, Wainwright, O'Neill Cruz, Amaya, Turang, Austin Meadows, and Jordan Blazevich. Thank you again, everybody. Appreciate it as always. Oh, I love Mario too, huh?